Once again, we're staying in our more dimensioning.dwg file. What we're going to look at now is a thing called automatic dimensioning that's available in later versions of AutoCAD. And you can find it using this dimension command here in the Dimensions panel in the Annotate tab on the AutoCAD ribbon. Now, it's very, very simple, and all you've got to do is hover over the object that you want to dimension. So we're going to zoom in on the bottom left corner of the floor plan. Just zoom and pan like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the automatic dimension command to dimension this wall here. So all I've got to do is go to the dimension command like so, and it's just DIM if you want to type it in, DIM and enter. And it creates multiple types of dimensions within a single command session. So if I click there, what I can do is I can just hover, and can you see it picks out the actual line. I click and it places the dimension. I then drag the dimension to where I want it to go, and it's done like so. It's that quick and it's that easy. If I zoom out a little bit now and just pan across a little bit, I've got this big long line here. If I hover over that one, click and just drag downwards, I can place a dimension there as well. And then if I hover over this one here, you can see there I've got another linear dimension. And what I can do is as I come across, I can zoom in and line in with the midpoint there and click, and I know that those two dimensions are tallied up as well, which is even better. I can then press enter to finish, and I've placed 3 dimensions very accurately without even having to worry about object snaps on the ends of each of the walls there. So that automatic dimensioning is very quick and easy, and you can utilize it for pretty much most objects in your AutoCAD drawings.